life with the women in the palace. After Prince Siddhartha proved his supremacy in various arts, Subhabuddha offered his daughter Yashodhara to him. The prince established her as his principal consort. Then, surrounded by many beautiful ladies, he enjoyed the sensual pleasures and various entertainments. At that time, as an exhortation by the Buddhas for Siddhartha to renounce the worldly life, the sound of cymbals reverberated for these words. Having seen beings emerge in intensifying mastery, in the past you have aspired to become their protector, object of refuge and place to rest upon. This is the right time to fulfill your aspirations. Oh, Supreme Sage, renounce your home. Thank you for listening and watching.